Your engagement with lawmakers, senators from your party.
The meeting was most fruitful.
Yes. We have noticed that there's this wave of senators leaving your party for elsewhere. What's happening?
It's an unfortunate development when it happens. But it's a season of all manner of behavior in the political space in the country. And this is not, Nigeria is not an exception. In every election, this kind of sub-step, give cause for people, stakeholders to sneeze. This is what we're experiencing. Nigeria is no exception, and the APC is no exception. I don't give a damn what's happening in other parties. I care what's happening in our party. But you and me know that it's not just the APC that's having this experience, this situation.
Is it
because we are the ruling party? Yes, our problems are more prominent in the public glare.
Are you worried about people leaving and abandoning the party? Are you worried about it?
No reasonable person, no responsible leader will not worry losing one member, not talk of 2 or 3. At the moment, we know we are faced with the stark reality of their problems. And we have committed with my colleagues in the National Working Committee to face the problems squarely and see the problems that are solvable, we'll solve them by the grace of God.
Most of them, they raise issues about the injustice in the party at their state levels.
You're now doing injustice to me.
So,
yes.
What I'm saying is, what are you going to do to stem the tide so that this type of thing will not occur again?
You have no guarantee. You are in politics, for God's sake. I don't know what will happen tomorrow. How can I foresee tomorrow? I'm not the kind of person who saw tomorrow. I'm not the one. You know the person who saw tomorrow? I'm not the one. Right. I only hope that tomorrow.
It's okay. What solution?
Why are you doing like this? This is our own place.
It's okay.
Sorry.